Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening drive time update. So all my friends, family here in Vietnam, and all my Asian brothers and sisters, you guys are winding down your day and getting ready to have your dinner. And everybody in America, wakey. Hopefully you guys have your cup of joe in your hand. I got my cup of joe right here in my daily Crypto Trade Signals mug. You're going to love it. I love it. And remember, coffee tastes better in the Crypto Daily Trade Signals mug. Don't forget to check out my description below. Check out my merch. I guarantee it tastes better. So, guys, we got lots to talk about today. A whole bunch of stuff. We're going to talk about, we got the welcome to new members in the house, new subscribers. We're going to look at the pre-markets. And looks like huge news. Shocking. Actually shocking. Disney, Fox Corp, and Warner are now, into crypto, and they're now Bitcoin holders. This is really good news. Also, we're seeing that MoneyGram has now integrated USDC, so it means that you can, use crypto to send money and receive money on MoneyGram using USDC. So, basically, if you have Bitcoin on an exchange, you change it to USDC, send it to your MoneyGram account. They'll convert that to fiat, and then you can send it anywhere you want. So that's pretty good, guys. That's really bullish news. We're also going to talk about BTC. Some on-chain data points show that there's much more accumulation by miners, so that's really a good sign, because when we had that whole China FUD thing happening with Elon Musk and all that stuff, when we had that Debbie Downer stuff, we saw that miners were selling, but now the miners are accumulating, because right now we got a lot of miners that after they got kicked out of China, they ended up in Kazakhstan or Kazakhstan. Sorry if I'm saying those stands wrong. I'm sorry, guys. Don't beat me up. And and now we also got that 7.7% of all mining now done in the U.S. Yeah, and that's up from like a 3.5%. So that's really good. And also we saw that earlier yesterday, 1.6 billion. Worth of BTC was bought on the open spot market, guys. So that's really amazing news. That's fantastic news, guys. So what do you guys think about that? That's huge, guys. It's really huge. I love it. You love it. So, guys, with that being said, some amazing stuff. We're still seeing that, Shiba Inu is going nuts right now. I think it's up like 53%. So a lot of people have been asking, Daryl, why are the altcoins going down? Remember, none of this is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes, so I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So you guys have to do your own homework, do your own risk management, do your own risk assessment. And remember, don't FOMO into projects, you guys. When you see things going up 100, 200% in a short period of time, don't FOMO in. Be very careful, guys, because when things go up super fast, they can go down just as fast as well. So watch out for that. So a lot of people have been asking, Daryl, what's going on? What's going on with altcoins? Why are they not moving? Well, it's very simple. We see that, a lot of liquidity from the altcoins is moving, one, from Bitcoin, and that's because we can see the dominance is at 40, 43, 44%. We're going to jump into that, so don't worry. And also, too, we're seeing that a lot of liquidity is moving out of altcoins, believe it or not, into this to Shiba Inu, and that's a fact check. That's all I got to say. So, some people are saying, well, Daryl, what about Shiba Inu? Why is it moving? Well, you guys have to understand that there is rumors spreading that Robinhood is going to allow trade for Shiba Inu on its platform. Now, the problem with Shiba Inu is that the developers, they don't have a whole bunch of tokens locked away somewhere. And normally what they would do is, in other projects, what they would do is the developers or the owners of the Shiba Inu project, what they would do is they would loan liquidity, they would loan their coins or liquidity to Robinhood, so then Robinhood wouldn't have to buy on the open market. But in this case, if Robinhood wants to sell or provide Shiba Inu on their platform, the owners don't own a large stake of Shiba Inu, and they can't loan liquidity, so Robinhood has to go out to the open market and buy. So one of the reasons I believe that we're seeing Shiba Inu shoot to the moon is because Robinhood has to go out and buy the Shiba Inu token on exchanges and basically buy a ton of it, so that way when people start, when they declare and announce that you can trade Shiba Inu on their platform, then they'll have tokens that you guys can own, sell, and buy. And remember, Robinhood, they're also going to be turning on their crypto wallet soon, so that's also a thing that if you're buying crypto. For example, if you go to eToro, and I'm not dissing eToro, so if you got eToro, this is not a diss. you can buy Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and everything on eToro, but Dogecoin, the SHIB and other tokens, they're locked there. It's basically a CFD. Okay, you actually don't have the underlying asset. Now on eToro, Bitcoin, Ethereum, yes you do. You can transfer it off, but the other altcoins you can't. So remember, I always tell people. I had a member asking me. He said, "Daryl, I got about 1.8 Bitcoin. It's in CFD format. What should I do?" And I said, look, you have to control your own destiny, right? And if you don't have access to your Bitcoin, you can't send it anywhere. It means you can't stake it, you can't make any interest, you can't trade it. You can't send your Bitcoin to Binance, Hobay, FTX, and use it to buy Ethereum, and you can't do anything with it. It's just there, right? And the only thing you can do with the CFD version of cryptocurrency is you can either sell it for fiat, and that's it. So, once again, I recommend hold the actual crypto. This is really important, guys. It's really important. And so that way you can control your own destiny, because that's what it's all about, right? So, with that being said, guys, just to let you know what's going on. And guys, don't forget to go back and follow me on my Twitter. Check out my merch, guys. We got tons of merch. You guys are gonna love the merch. I love the merch. We get the mug. Check out the merch, guys. We got the mug. Follow me on Twitter. Get the mug, guys. That's full of love. And with that being said, guys, go back and watch this video here. This was doing only good every day. This is when we went out and took all of the proceeds from all the super chats and memberships and the merchandise and the Patrons and the coffees that you buy the channel. We take that, we aggregate it, and we go out and we give it all to charity, guys. So you can actually see us giving that all to charity right here in Vietnam. We gave it out to the homeless, the less fortunate, and the needy, and also we dropped off a whole bunch of stuff for the orphans, guys. So go back and watch. That's a bit of a tearjerker. It's nice, we're just trying to get back to the community. That's what we're doing here. So with that being said, let's just welcome some new subscribers in the house. We got some new subscribers. These are fresh subscribers. Welcome to family. CJ Dallas, James Harper, Monster Fresh, Reginald, and Jalal in the house, guys. And also too, we got some huge family members, new channel members. We've got Manas in the house. We got Rob D. We got Fawad, a VIP member. Now the VIP members, please do not forget, VIP and Super Chat members, you need to go to the About section right here, guys. I don't want to delay this. I don't want to keep watching, guys. Don't get bored out. Don't get bored. Keep watching. Send an email here with your YouTube handle and also the date that you joined and your membership level, either VIP or Super Channel. So make sure you do that, and then we can send you the link to the private WhatsApp group. It's important that you do. And also we got Ray in the house, Super Channel supporter. We got American Eagle in the house, VIP. Brad. We got Dan, and we got the Zoro Genda network. So guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Beautiful times to be alive. So, as I was saying, I was talking about the Shiba Inu right now. And like I said, you guys have to be careful. Be very careful with Shiba Inu. If we look at where it's going on the year to date right now, you can see that we're getting pretty close to all-time highs again. So guys, watch out. And right now, Shiba Inu is at like 0.346. And I believe the all-time high for Shiba Inu was around about 0.38, guys. So you guys just have to be very careful that this thing does not suddenly do a big dumpity dump on you. So its total market cap is coming down a little bit, but it's still up a whopping 52%, guys. It's up a whopping 52%. So that's just crazy in the membrane, guys. So let's jump into the pre-markets right now. So you can see that the pre-markets right now for the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ are all up. So hopefully that means that we're going to have a really good day for crypto. And before we move any further, I need you guys to do me a favor. We need to get this video up to 1,000 likes. Help the OG get this video up to 1,000 likes. Go right down below and see this thing that looks like that. You need to smash the likes. A lot of you watch the videos from beginning to end. You love the videos, but you don't smash the likes. You need to do that, because what happens is it tells the algorithm, the hungry algorithm, that you like this content, and it pushes the message out. All right, and we need to get the message out. We need to spread the good vibe, spread the love, because this is the OG, the crypto love in the house. Ric Flair of crypto in the house, right, coming at you guys. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Dogecoin to the moon. Let's get it. And also, you need to subscribe BYB. Go down there and subscribe BYB. Do it right now. And the other thing, they got to do three things. One, like the content, subscribe, and leave a comment. Leave a comment. Tell me how we're feeling. Tell me how you're doing. Tell me what you think about crypto. Send me your opinion. Remember, I'm doing this for you. Without you, my lovely, beautiful community, this channel wouldn't be possible, guys. So show some support, show some love, and make a comment, guys. And if you want to make a salty comment, that's okay, but keep it respectful, keep it beautiful. Remember, spread the good vibe. That's all we're trying to do. So we're seeing new data points that confirm that the Bitcoin bull run is here. It's here to stay. And, some people like Plan B, they're saying that this bull run could last and extend another 6 months. I think that's possible, guys, because, we have more institutions than ever before. We have more companies FOMOing in. And we're going to talk about that. Some huge companies that, you probably never heard of before. Well, you've heard of the companies, but you didn't know they have crypto. So we're going to talk about that. But we're seeing that the strong support levels are consolidating, will now allow Bitcoin to break out. And we can see that, Bitcoin right now has some major support around the 53K level. So we need to maintain that support. We're seeing higher highs and we're seeing higher highs, and we're seeing lower highs. So that's really good. We're having a beautiful zigzag pattern that's coming out for Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is off to the promised land. I think we can see, 63K coming in absolutely in October. This is absolutely going to happen. And this is October. And, also seeing that the altcoins are starting to move a little bit right now. The altcoins are starting to move, pick up some pace. So, if you're a Shiba Inu holder, be careful, because if you start to see that the altcoins are moving, it means that there may be people taking profits from that and moving it back into the other alts, guys. So watch out. I don't want any of my members or subscribers or viewers out there to get caught behind the 8 ball. Do not FOMO into stuff that's going to the moon. And that's not just for the ship. This is sound advice for everybody out there. Never ever chase the rockets, because if you chase the rockets, you get burned by jet fuel. Trust me, it's going to happen. So we're seeing that more miners are accumulating, more Bitcoin, and this is breaking the month-off sell-off. So this is really good. Whale, and also we saw Whale buys 1.6 million worth of Bitcoin this morning. And we're seeing that, there's less FUD coming out there. So right now we're seeing a whole bunch of really good technical data that, supports the fact that we're going to have the second leg up. This thing could last 6 months. And I think we could be very, very surprised if we don't see 135K. And some people are saying 250K. It could happen. Absolutely could happen. We're seeing lots of really good on-chain data. We're also seeing that, the miners are accumulating more Bitcoin. The data is right there in front of you. We're also seeing that, somebody picked up $1.6 billion of Bitcoin, and this is super bullish ways. Super bullish. What's wrong with me? Super bullish indicators. A mega whale this morning has just purchased $1.6 billion worth of Bitcoin on the spot market. Not the OTC, but on the spot market. And this is from the CEO of CryptoCon. This massive buy was done in under 5 minutes. He wanted to say this is more like a whale buying, not a cascade liquidation. So this is not somebody, a cascade of liquidation. This was a whale buying. So this is really bullish news, guys. A huge news, guys. I love it. You should love it. Also, too, we're seeing that Bank of America identifies 20 high-profile U.S. companies with Bitcoin exposure, guys, and crypto exposure. And, one of the biggest companies that we're looking at here is we're looking at, Walt Disney. Hey, Mickey Mouse in the house is now holding Bitcoin. Mickey Mouse, we love Mickey Mouse. So you guys know who Walt Disney is. I mean, my kid loves Walt Disney every day. Mickey Mouse. Toy Story, all that kind of stuff. So, guys, it's great. We're also seeing Fox Corporation as well. Time to get some Joe. Don't forget to check out my merch. Check out the merch. And guys, if you're still watching this, smash the likes right now. Smash up the likes. We need to see 1,000 likes in this video. 1,000 likes. Get that in your brain. And remember, if you're watching this channel, don't forget to give super chats and live stream. All goes to charity, guys. And become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. And become channel members. Get it while you can. So we're seeing that Walt Disney Corporation now holds cryptocurrency. Fox Corporation, JP Morgan, we know about that, and a list of 20 publicly traded companies in the United States. Bank of America, we know about, Warner Music. So all of these companies are having exposure to digital assets. And I believe that once the FOMO starts, we're going to start to see not only retail FOMO, we're going to start to see institutional FOMO. And when the institutional FOMO happens, you're going to see Bitcoin Go to the moon. It's going to be huge. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. Let's get it, guys. Some other news that's coming in right now. Big news is MoneyGram launches USDC settlement using the Stellar blockchain. So this is really huge. This means that the financial service company MoneyGram International has partnered with Stellar Development Foundation. So guys, take a look at Stellar. Stellar could be popping off. Also, we're seeing that Cardano is popping off right now. Remember, I told you it has this new DEX that is just about to launch, and it's launched a new DEX on the ADA on the ADA pad. So that's coming live now, and that's why we're seeing ADA starting to pop up. So financial service company MoneyGram International has partnered with Stellar Development Foundation to enable customers to send money using Circle's stablecoin USDC. And remember, Tether was under investigation, and remember, USDC has more of its coin actually backed by dollars than Tether. So in my opinion, this is not financial advice, USDC is a safer stable coin to hold and convert directly to and from fiat. So that's really good. You're going to be able to send your stable coin to your MoneyGram account and exchange back and forth and send stuff going back and forth. So per as Wednesday announced, MoneyGram has integrated support allowing crypto wallets connected to Stellar Network to access its global retail platform. Working alongside Circle, MoneyGram will also enable near instant back-end settlement account funding and local fiat withdrawals using USDC stablecoin. So that's really good, guys. The instant settlement. So that's really amazing news. Let's take a look at the market cap right now. So you can see right now the market cap is at 2.3 trillion. The market cap hit a high today of 2.4. And I did tell you that we should be able to hit 2.5 trillion by the end of this week. So right now we've got 3 days and about 13 hours left on this candle. So hopefully by the time this candle finishes on the market cap, we should be able to see that at 2.5 trillion. So things are starting to pop off, guys. Things are starting to pop. We're seeing ADA popping off. We're seeing all the altcoins starting to move, guys. So we're going to jump into that specifics right now. We're also seeing that the fear and greed index is at 76. We're moving into extreme fear, extreme greed, guys. We're moving into extreme greed. So this is kind of, is it time to sell? Is it time to start selling? Not yet. Keep holding. When we get to pretty close to like 100, then you may want to think about taking profits. Remember, you got to take profits off the table. Please take profits. Please take profits. Don't be, greedy and keep saying to yourself, oh, it's going to go up more. It's going to go up more. Because often when you start thinking it's going to go up more, guess what happens? The opposite happens, and you lose more than if you lose more because you waited too long and it goes down, bing. So remember, don't waste the opportunity cost by waiting too long and waiting for things to come down and auto-correct, all right? Okay? So take profits, guys. And remember, I talked about you need to make a contract with yourself. When something goes up 200%, take about 20 to 30%. And then when it goes up 400%, take another 50%. And that leaves you, that's all, you've taken total 80% out of there. And that leaves you with about 20% in there. And you keep that in case this thing continues to moon, right? But remember, the first thing you want to do is when it goes up 200%, take your initial investment out. That way, whatever you do decide to leave in, it's all house money. So you don't care if it goes up or down. But take your profits. Please do that. And I know that psychologically it's very difficult for a lot of you to take your profits. You have to take your profits, guys. It's so important that you take your profits, guys. So let's take a look at the Doge Woji in the house right now. So right now, Doge is trading at 25.20. And we're seeing that we had some really good volumes, good green candles. And if you look at my Elliott wave formation that I printed out, we followed this exactly to the T. We've come down, and now we're starting to move up. And I really think that by the, we could see ourselves going up to 30 cents pretty soon, guys. I think we'll go up to 30 cents. Then we'll probably fall back down again to around about 28 cents. And then that's when we have this big pump, and we should see getting ourselves close to 35 cents incoming. So that's where I see it. And I see that we could probably hit 35 cents. I'm hoping by the end of October we should see 35 cents incoming for the Doge. Now I know a lot of people have a lot of people out there have lost hope and say the Doge is not going anywhere. And Shiba Inu has been in the spotlight for a long time right now. And I know a lot of you out there sold your Doge and moved it into Shiba and made a quick buck. That's okay. That's your thing. Remember, take your profits. Don't hold sheep too long because, I'm not dissing on the sheep, but I just don't want you guys to, moon into something and keep holding. Take your profits. You know, if you're holding Shiba, that's great. When it goes up significantly enough for you to take enough profit to at least match your initial investment and leave some in there, that's good. Do that, because then if it goes up or it goes down, you don't care, because that's house money. Take your profits, guys. Don't be too greedy. If you're too greedy, you can lose. Okay, particularly on something like SHIB that's gone up like crazy. It can also go down like crazy. Sure, Doge is not moving very fast. It's just kind of going, but it's slowly moving, guys. So don't panic. Remember what I said to you guys, okay? Okay. So let's take a look at the SHIB again. SHIB is right now, it's, let me refresh that. This is CoinMarketCap. It doesn't auto-refresh sometimes. Let's refresh it. Yeah, and right now it's at 54, it's up 54%. It's at 3396, guys. So keep an eye on that. I don't want you guys to, be crying and, going nuts. Oh, gee, I should have sold, but I didn't sell. I get people like that. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. Right now, Bitcoin on the weekly is looking pretty good. It's at over $54,000. That's fantastic. Let's look at it on the 4-hour. And right now, it looks like, we have some resistance here. We've gone as high as 56. We went as high as like 55,200 on this candle, and it looks like around about it looks to me, I would say that we have some resistance around about 54.3. So we need to pop up above that, stay above that. But Bitcoin's looking pretty good. It's still making a big run. I mean, here we can see people taking some profits. Even if we go down as low as $52,000, we're still looking pretty good. And once we get past that, then we're going to go to the promised land of 56K. And then once we get past the promised land of 56K, $63,000 is incoming. It's incoming, and we see that the volumes are really good right now on Bitcoin. And we're seeing that, if we look at the total market cap here, we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is 43.49. It's come down a little bit, and look at the volumes, guys. 130.65 billion. Wow, woo. And a market cap here is 2.34 billion. I think that we're going to definitely be getting to 2.5 billion by the end of this week. Time for some coffee. Don't forget to check out the mug. Check out my merch. Get the mug. You're going to love it. I love it. And the guys and gals, if you're still watching, let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. What are you waiting for? Go down there and smash the likes. Come on. If you love this content, you're still watching. Thank you for still watching. Smash the like, subscribe, YB in the house, and don't forget the super chatty watties. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Now, Ethereum is coming back to life. We have this ascending triangle here. Ethereum is going back into it right now, and we're at 3,581. Now, Ethereum is starting to break out to the upside right now. And one of the reasons we're doing that is the Bitcoin dominance is coming down, and we're seeing that Shiba Inu is losing a little bit of steam. So watch out for that, guys. And we're going to start, and if it starts to lose some steam, we're going to see all of that liquidity moving back into the other altcoins. And that's one of the reasons why we're seeing a lot of altcoins kind of going blah, And if we look at ADA in the house, I did tell you that on the 7th, if you go back to my previous videos, I did say that, we have this DEX that's going to be launched on ADA, and it's using the ADA pad, and that's been launched today, yay, and that's why we're seeing ADA starting to pump, and it's at $2.31, and we hit a high today of $2.37. So keep an eye on that. I think when the U.S. markets open, if you're watching, the U.S. markets are about to open. I mean, crypto's never sleeping, but I mean, when you guys wake up, you're going to see ADA pumpity pump like crazy, guys. Let's take a look at Solana in the housey. Solana is just kind of going sideways right now. It's kind of really a nothing burger, but it's pretty good that we're now at trading 156. So our $155 resistance has now become support. So, it's just kind of really range bound right now. And we have this channel. We need to get back in this channel. Otherwise we just can see ourselves going down. So, the way I see it right now is this channel is kind of dead. We kind of didn't confirm that channel, but what we're seeing now, in my opinion, you guys tell me what you think. I think we're seeing a nice descending triangle, and that's kind of going in this direction here, right, guys? And then we have our support line over here. We need at least 3 touching points, and that would take us to around about right there. So that's where I see us right now. So we're kind of in this descending triangle. This is a bullish structure. So hopefully we can break out of that very soon. And if we can break out of this bullish structure, this descending triangle, we measure from here to here, from about there, and that should give us a breakout. At the point of breakout, I think we probably won't be breaking out to here, and that will see us going up to $181. If we break out sooner, if we break out today, we could see ourselves going up to 189. So I'll just leave this here. I think more likely we'll probably break out here. That's where I think we'll hit the breakout, and that breakout should happen probably around the 8th or 9th of October. We could see a breakout. Maybe not. I mean, the TA is only good until it doesn't work, right? TA is not a science. So I would say it's a 60% chance of breaking to the upside with a 40% chance to break to the downside. So if we break to the downside, then that could see us going all the way down here. So let's say we do the point of breakout here. That could see us going down like $128. So that's probably worst case scenario, or even lower. If we break down here, we could see ourselves going down to the 108, which is a major support level. So let's see how we do. I mean, I think we got a 40% chance of breaking the upside, guys. So what do you think about that? All right, guys. And with that being said, let's jump into the markets right now. So right now, let's jump into market marks. So right now, BTC is still on fire. It's at $54,000.97. So that's up still 5%. I think once the markets open in America, the broader markets, and everybody wakey, get your cup of joe in America, I think you're going to see crypto start to explode. And I think you're going to start to see that Shiba Inu will start to lose momentum, and you're going to see more of that liquidity move back into the altcoins. And you can see that right now Ethereum is picking up steam, and it's at 3,574. It's just passing Ethereum in terms of its daily pickup of 5.47%. We're seeing that BNB right now is at $443, and that's up almost 5%. ADA is starting to make a huge move, and I think we could see ADA probably printing a 12% increase today. And right now it's at almost 8%. It's at $2.32. So keep an eye on ADA. Could be a fast mover. And we're seeing Solana is also coming back just slightly, but it's still up by 15% for the week. And that's 156.68 cents. And DOT is doing some huge move. It's shocking, guys. Shocking move for DOT. It's coming back right now, and it's at 33.57 cents. So we're seeing more liquidity come back in the markets right now. And right now we're seeing that Doge is down 1.3%. And, it's still up 23.22%. So I think Doge is probably going to turn green today once the U.S. wakes up. And we're seeing that right now the SHIB is at 0.34. And remember, it hit an all-time high of 0.03003. I'm not going to say all the zeros, okay? It's too monotonous. So I'll just say it's at 3.8, guys. And we're about 11% away from all-time high. Luna's also coming back right now. Uni's up. Avalanche is still down. Avalanche. Matic is going up, guys. Atom is going up, and VET is going up, guys. So things are looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Right now, remember, this portfolio is not financial advice. This is only the OG expressed his opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. If you use any part of this portfolio, you do so at your own risk, guys. And go ahead and smash the likes. Come on, guys. What are you waiting for? The OG portfolio, we're up 62%. That's not too bad. And if you look at how it's trended, we've just been kind of, remember, zoom out. Trendy Wendy is your friend. We've been kind of going up. We had a little bit of sideways action here. This was the Debbie Downer in September, right? Rectember is over. So it's looking pretty good, guys. We're up 62%. That's $3,132 in profit. We started with $5K, and now we're up. We're at $8,132, and this was done on a live stream, guys. So it's really cool beans, guys. And please go to my Twitter and follow me on my Twitter. We got 2,523 followers. You're gonna get tips. You're gonna get tricks. And you're generally just going to be part of a huge, great community, guys. So I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. And with that being said, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. Hopefully the information was useful. Hopefully the news insightful. And hopefully you guys understand this bull run is not over. We're going to the moon. I think we still have another 4 to 6 months to go on this bull run. And I don't think we're going to see a huge blow off top. I think the things are going to be absolutely fantastical. And please show the love to the OG. Smash the likes. get the likes, go down there, hit the likes, guys. We need 1,000 likes in this one. And don't forget to subscribe, BYB, and also check out all of my linky winkies. We got tons of linky linkies. This is not financial advice, of course. And go and support the channel. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel coffee, find the link below. And also, guys, check out the merch. Also, we got some platforms I like. You get some cashbacks and stuff, so check that out. You're going to love it. I love it. Other things that you want to do is to go check out the merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got polo shirts. We even got pajamas for ladies, guys. And don't forget to check out the infamous, the one, the only, the mug in the house. You're going to love it. I love it. Coffee tastes better. Full of hope, full of joy, full of love, guys. And don't forget to go and check the wife's channel. You're going to love it. Check out Zen Music. I love it. You love it. So, guys, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. Smash the likes. We need to see 1,000 likes in this video. I love you guys to death. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. And remember, live like it. Live life to the fullest. Live life like it's your last minute, second on the planet. Share the love, spread the good vibe, spread the good vibe. This is Crypto Love, the Ric Flair of Crypto in the house, saying, I love it, you love it, let's get it.